welcome back to the channel. I've got an egg-shaped silicone mould and I'm thinking half fill it with resin, or half, bit more than half. Add loads, loads of alcohol ink in, and hopefully that will give us a nice effect, and then top up with resin, and then we'll have a lovely egg-shaped resin paperweight. Hopefully. So, I'm just going to pop a mask on and then we'll get started. Got a mask on now, so hopefully you can still hear me. Got some gold, deep pink, sapphire blue, deep white, green and purple alcohol inks. Give them a good shake. So, got some resin ready to go. So I'm going to pour in. So I would say that's probably just over 3/4 full. I think that looked good. And then try to torch. Although I don't mind if there's air bubbles in it. I think that will create quite a nice effect at the end. And then I'm just going to start, oh no, dripping inks in. Just gonna wipe that up. Quite heavy with the white there. I'm a little bit concerned that all the ink's just going to end up around the edge with none in the middle, but we'll see what happens. It does move over time. Pink again. I can't see anything through the sides at the moment. I wonder if, should I get a cocktail stick and give it a stir? Try and push some of the ink further down, maybe? Or use the resin lolly stick. This could be a really bad idea, but limited. Looks like I've pushed some in. Not a lot though. Cool. I'll see you when it's set. So it's been a couple of days and the resin has set in our mould. Don't know if you can tell, but the colours have bled down. I'm super excited to demould this, just to see what it looks like inside. I don't know if the colours are just going to be on the outside, or if they're going to have worked their way down in the middle as well. I think either's going to look cool. But before we get to demould, I need to top it up with resin because I want it the whole egg shape. So I've got some resin mixed ready to go, and I'm just going to top it up. There we go. I've never seen resin smoke before, but apparently it does. I shall see you when that is set, and then we get to demould it together and find out what happened. It's been a couple of days now and everything is all set, nice and hard. Looks super cool. I don't know if you can see that on camera properly. The colour's bleeding up, and we've got the line there from where the colour, and then this is clear. I'm just going to jump in and start demoulding. Can't wait to see what this looks like. Not quite sure how to get this mould off. Should I try rolling it? Wow, that looks so cool. I'm so happy. Not so happy with where the white has dipped all the way down, but doesn't that look cool? The colours have bled all up the outsides, and then on the inside we have this wispiness. Super cool. I'm so happy. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Give me a like if you enjoyed, and subscribe if you want to see future videos. I will put some pictures in at the end. Have a great day.